I'd say just like a true like man's dish as far as meat and potatoes, with just a little slight twist on it with making a variation of sweet potato pancakes, just because I just didn't want to go with a regular mashed sweet potato. It's a dope ass dish. Trust me, just because you're not here, don't mean it isn't. No, the idea is for this just to be the shell of a taco. You eat this mouth like this and shit. For this dish right here, I chose to do my take on a vegetarian taco. I use jackfruit. I also use a mango salsa, barbecue sauce, chopped up garlic, a little sea salt, black pepper, and some sriracha hot sauce to add a little kick towards the end of this. It's a nice dish, I feel, because the bell pepper really holds up the rest of the dish. Gives you an opportunity to really get a hold of this and hold this bad boy. So let's go ahead and see what this tastes like. That shit dope. Yeah. And surprisingly, the jackfruit don't even taste like fruit. It almost tastes like pulled pork a little bit. God damn, you got me over here licking my fingers on the goddamn camera. Maria came over and gave me an idea, and we just ran with it. Completely just freestyled the whole thing. She came up with 4 or 5 different ingredients. I came up with like 3 or 4 ingredients, and to be honest with you, that's when some of the greatest stuff or greatest dishes are discovered. It's not about reinventing the wheel. You don't have to do that. It's taking classic dishes and just putting a slight little twist on it. So this one is basically